Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to host a free website on GitHub. First, you have to select your repository and you need to make sure you have uploaded all your necessary files. Once done, go to select and make sure your default branch is main, then go to pages and source will be deployed from a branch, and then you need to make sure your branch is main and it will be root in most cases. Now hit the save button. Then you can go to code and you will see there is like a brown circle appearing. It means that my pages are in progress. And once everything is done, this is a thing that is happening in action. It is showing all in details. So once everything is done, go to settings, scroll down, go to pages, and you will see there is a link. And if you click it, this is your working version of your project. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and catch you in my next video.